Welcome Team Traffic Light to the elimination. Traffic Cone is eliminated with 3 votes. And Robot Barf Bin debuts.
Q&A.
And she will join Team Quiet Nuts again. Today's challenge is balance beam fall off and your help go.
What?
Are they insane?
Most likely.
I'm gonna kill you.
Why?
You named the team after you and you used me as a jetpack.
Oh no.
Hey, no cheating allowed. Team Quiet Nuts again is up for elimination.